Hello students, welcome to our ROSE project. Myself Patil V.S. from SGM College Karar. In previous lecture, we have studied the nomenclature of ketone, nomenclature of carboxylic acid and first general preparation method, that is oxidation of alcohol. Now in today's lecture, we are going to study the remaining preparation methods of aldehyde and ketone. Now, first we have going to study the second general preparation method, that is from unsaturated hydrocarbon. In case of unsaturated hydrocarbon, by using ozonolysis. In this ozonolysis, first alkene reacts with ozone to give ozonide, and which on decomposition with zinc dust and water, then this gives aldehyde or ketone. Ethene, for example, when ethene reacts with ozone in presence of carbon tetrachloride, then this gives ethene ozonide. And this ethene ozonide decomposition with zinc dust with water, then this gives formaldehyde and zinc oxide. In this reaction, here CH2 double bond CH2 means ethene reacts with ozone in presence of carbon tetrachloride. Here this double bond breaks and ozone is added across this double bond. Then this gives CH2, this is a CH2, and this O3 is added across the double bond, means O and O. And then this CH2, this gives ethene ozonide. Then this ethene ozonide on decomposition with zinc dust and water, then this gives, here this bond breaks, here also this bond breaks, and this gives HCHO and HCHO, that is two molecules of formaldehyde. And then this zinc and this oxygen gives ZNO, means ethene reacts with ozone in presence of carbon tetrachloride, then this gives ethene ozonide, and this ethene ozonide on decomposition with zinc dust and water, then this gives formaldehyde. Then see another example. In this case, here propene treated with ozone in presence of carbon tetrachloride as a solvent, then this gives propene ozonide. And this propene ozonide on decomposition with zinc dust with water gives acetaldehyde and formaldehyde. See this reaction. Here propene formula of propene is CH3 CH double bond CH2. This is carbon number 1 and carbon number 2. When ozone is added across this double bond, then that time this gives propene ozonide, means propene is treated with ozone in presence of carbon tetrachloride, then this gives propene ozonide. Here this ozone O3 is added across double bond, then this gives here CH3 CH O and OO. Here these three oxygens atoms are added, means O3 is added in between these two carbon atoms, and this CH2, this is the CH2, this CH2 group, and this gives propene ozonide. Then this propene ozonide on decomposition with zinc dust and water, then here bond breaking takes place, this bond breaks, also this bond breaks, and carbon number 1 gives CH3CHO. CH3CHO means acetaldehyde, and HCHO means formaldehyde. Then this zinc and oxygen gives ZNO, means propene when treated with ozone in presence of carbon tetrachloride, then this gives propene ozonide. And this propene ozonide on decomposition with zinc dust with water, then this gives acetaldehyde and formaldehyde. Then see next, by hydration of alkynes. Here hydration means what? Hydration means addition of water molecule. Here alkyne reacts with water in presence of 40% H2SO4 and 1% HgSO4, means mercuric sulfate, to give here aldehyde or ketone. In this reaction, for example, here ethyne. Ethyne formula is CH triple bond CH. This is also known as acetylene. This acetylene or ethyne reacts with water in presence of 40% H2SO4 and 1% HgSO4. Then this hydrogen atom is transferred to this carbon atom, means bonded to this carbon atom to give CH2, and OH is attached to this carbon atom to give here CH2 double bond CHOH, and this is known as phenyl alcohol, or this is also known as enol. Then this phenyl alcohol on tautomerism means rearrangement of atoms takes place and we get here acetaldehyde. In this case, here this hydrogen atom is shifted towards this carbon atom, and in between this double bond, this bond is shifted in between carbon and oxygen atom to give here CH3, then this CH3 single bond CH and double bond O, means ethanol, or this is known as acetaldehyde. Then see second example. In this example, when propane reacts with water in presence of 40% H2SO4 and 1% mercuric sulfate, then this gives, that is, unstable compound known as enol. Here also this reaction takes place according to Marconi-Coe's rule. Marconi-Coe's rule, here negative part of the reagent gets attached to the triple bonded carbon atom which carries less number of hydrogen atom. In this case, here H is positive part and OH is negative part. According to Marconi-Coe's rule, this OH is attached to this carbon atom because negative part of the reagent gets attached to the triple bonded carbon atom which carries less number of hydrogen atom, and this hydrogen atom is attached to this carbon atom. Then this gives CH3 COH, and triple bond is converted to double bond, and this CH and H gives CH2. This is an unstable compound known as enol. Then this enol on tautomerism, means this unstable compound on tautomerism means rearrangement of atoms takes place, and here this hydrogen atom is shifted towards this carbon atom, and this double bond is shifted in between this carbon oxygen atom. Then this gives here CH3 C and double bond O, and this hydrogen atom shifted towards this carbon atom to get here CH3, means CH3 C double bond O CH3. This is known as acetone, or this is also known as propanone. Then see next preparation method, that is other methods of preparation of aldehyde and ketones. Here first method is from acyl chloride, or this is known as acid chloride. In acid chloride, first in case of aldehyde, here acyl chloride is reduced to corresponding aldehyde by hydrogen using a palladium catalyst poisoned with barium sulfate. This reaction is known as Rosenmund reduction reaction. For example, this is acyl chloride. This acyl chloride is reduced with hydrogen in presence of palladium and BaSO4. Then this gives aldehyde. RC double bond OCl, hydrogen is added. Therefore, this is known as a reduction. This Cl and this H gives HCl, and hydrogen is attached to this carbon atom to give here RC double bond OH plus HCl, and this is known as aldehyde. Now let us see for example. Here this is acetyl chloride, that is CH3COCl. This is known as acetyl chloride. Acetyl chloride on reduction with hydrogen in presence of palladium and BaSO4, then this gives ethanol. Here this Cl and this H gives HCl, and hydrogen is attached to this carbon atom to give CH3CH double bond O, that is ethanol, or this is also known as acetaldehyde. Then in case of a ketone, when acid chloride or acyl chloride is react with dialkyl cadmium to give ketone. Here twice R COCl means acyl chloride reacts with dialkyl cadmium, then this gives ketone. In this reaction, this CD and 2Cl gives CdCl2, and the valency of carbon is satisfied by this alkyl group to give here R dash C double bond O R plus CdCl2, means this is a ketone. For example, here acetyl chloride. Formula of acetyl chloride is CH3COCl. This acetyl chloride react with dimethyl cadmium, that is CH3 twice CD. This is a dimethyl cadmium to give here ketone, that is acetone. In this reaction, this CD and this 2Cl gives CdCl2, and here twice of CH3CO, here this twice of CH3CO, the valency of carbon is satisfied by this 2-methyl group to give here twice of CH3COCH3, and this is known as acetone, or this is also known as a propanone. Then see next example, here benzoyl chloride. Formula of a benzoyl chloride is C6H5COCl react with dimethyl cadmium, then this gives acetophenone. In this reaction, here this cadmium and this 2-chlorine gives cadmium chloride, that is CdCl2. Then this twice of C6H5CO, this is twice of C6H5CO, and the valency of carbon is satisfied by these 2 methyl groups to give here twice of C6H5COCH3, and this is known as acetophenone. Here this is a phenyl group, this is a methyl group, this is also known as methyl phenyl ketone, or this is also known as acetophenone. Then next preparation method, Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. In this Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction, when benzene is heated with acetyl chloride or acetic anhydride in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, then it gives acetophenone. In this reaction, hydrogen atom of the benzene is replaced by acyl group or acetyl group. Therefore, this reaction is known as acylation reaction. Let's see for example, this benzene when treated with acetyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, then this gives, that is acetophenone. In this reaction, here this hydrogen atom of the benzene is replaced by COCH3 group, and H and Cl gives HCl. Then product is C6H5COCH3, and this is known as acetophenone. Also, this is known as, this is a carbon number 1, carbon number 2. At position number 1, here phenyl group is attached and 2 carbon atoms, alkane is ethane, E is replaced by ONE, and therefore name of this formula is 1-phenyl ethanol. Means benzene when treated with acetyl chloride, heated with acetyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, then this gives acetophenone. Then let's see another example. Here benzene when treated with acetic anhydride. Formula of acetic anhydride is CH3CO, CH3COO in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. Then this gives acetophenone. In this reaction, hydrogen atom of the benzene ring is replaced by COCH3 group, means acyl group, or this is also known as acetyl group. Therefore, this reaction is called as acylation reaction. In this reaction, here hydrogen atom is replaced by COCH3 group. Therefore, this COCH3 group is attached to this benzene ring to give here acetophenone, and remaining CH3CO and this O and hydrogen gives CH3COOH, that is acetic acid. Means benzene reacts with heated with acetic anhydride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 as a catalyst, then this gives acetophenone. Then third preparation method is from nitriles or cyanides. In this reaction, first preparation of aldehyde from nitriles. In this preparation of aldehyde, here when alkyl nitrile or alkyl cyanide is reduced with SnCl2 in presence of dilute HCl, this gives imine hydrochloride, and this imine hydrochloride on acid hydrolysis gives corresponding aldehyde. This reaction is called as Stephan reaction. Let's see for example. First, we will see the general reaction. In this general reaction, here this is alkane nitrile or alkyl nitrile, or this is also known as alkyl cyanide, reduced with SnCl2 and dilute HCl. First, SnCl2 and dilute HCl reacts with each other to give a nascent hydrogen, and this nascent hydrogen reduces alkyl nitrile or alkyl cyanide. Here reduction means addition of hydrogen. In this reaction, this triple bond is converted to double bond, and one hydrogen atom is bonded to this carbon atom to give RCH. Then triple bond is converted to double bond. Then this hydrogen atom is attached to this nitrogen atom to give NH, means RCH double bond NH, and this HCl gives RCH double bond NH HCl. This is known as imine hydrochloride. Imine hydrochloride. Then this imine hydrochloride on acid hydrolysis. Acid hydrolysis means reaction takes place in presence of acid. Means hydrolysis takes place in presence of acid. Therefore, this is known as acid hydrolysis. Means this imine hydrochloride reacts with water in presence of acid. Then this gives aldehyde. Here RCH and this oxygen gives RCHO. या ठिकाणी these two hydrogen atoms आणि वॉटर मधले दोन हायड्रोजन ॲटम मिळून काय होईल, इथं 4 हायड्रोजन ॲटम्स होतील, and therefore this gives NH4Cl. Let's see for example. Here CH3C triple bond N means this is known as ethane nitrile. This is also known as methyl cyanide, or this is also known as acetonitrile. In this reaction, here this acetonitrile or methyl cyanide on reduction with SnCl2 and HCl, then this gives ethanimine hydrochloride. Here addition of hydrogen is known as reduction. This triple bond is converted to double bond. One of the hydrogen atom is attached to this carbon atom to give CH, and another hydrogen atom is attached to this nitrogen atom to give NH. Means CH3, CH, then double bond NH, and this HCl means CH3CH double bond NH HCl. This is known as ethanimine hydrochloride. Then this ethanimine hydrochloride on acid hydrolysis means in presence of acid, here water molecule is added to this ethanimine hydrochloride, then this gives acetaldehyde. Here H2O is added. Here this CH3, CH, water madla oxygen gives CH3CHO, means ethanol, or this is known as acetaldehyde. Then this nitrogen means N, 2 hydrogens, and water madle 2 hydrogen, this gives NH4Cl, that is NH4Cl, means ethanimine hydrochloride on acid hydrolysis, then this gives acetaldehyde, or this is also known as ethanol. Let's see another example. Here this is a benzonitrile. Formula of a benzonitrile is C6H5 single bond C triple bond N. means this is a benzonitrile. On reduction with SnCl2 and HCl, then this gives benzene-imine hydrochloride. And this benzene-imine hydrochloride on acid hydrolysis, then this gives benzaldehyde. In this reaction, here these two hydrogen atoms are added to benzonitrile. Therefore, addition of hydrogen is known as reduction. C6H5C and this H gives CH. Another hydrogen atom is bonded to this nitrogen atom. Then this gives C6H5CH. Triple bond is converted to double bond and NH, and this HCl means HCl. Here C6H5 single bond CH, double bond NH, HCl is known as benzene-imine hydrochloride. Then this benzene-imine hydrochloride on acid hydrolysis. Acid hydrolysis means addition of water molecule in presence of acid, that is H+. Then this gives benzaldehyde. Here C6H5CH, वॉटर मधला ऑक्सिजन या ठिकाणी कार्बनला अटॅच होईल. देन दिस गिव्स C6H5CHO, that is benzaldehyde. Then this nitrogen, that is N, and these two hydrogen atoms, वॉटर मधले दोन हायड्रोजन ॲटम, टोटल 4 हायड्रोजन ॲटम्स gives NH4Cl, means C6H5CHO, NH4Cl. Means here benzonitrile on reduction with SnCl2 and HCl, this gives benzene-imine hydrochloride, and this benzene-imine hydrochloride on acid hydrolysis, this gives benzaldehyde. Then in case of a ketone, here preparation of a ketone from nitrile by using Grignard's reagent. Here first, alkyl cyanide or alkyl nitride is treated with methyl magnesium chloride. Here Grignard's reagent means alkyl magnesium halide is known as Grignard's reagent. For example, here ethane nitrile or methyl cyanide, or this is known as acetonitrile, reacts with methyl magnesium chloride as a Grignard's reagent in presence of a dry ether. Then this gives magnesium complex. In this reaction, here CH3C double bond N. Here CH3C double bond N. Then valency of carbon is satisfied by this CH3 group, and valency of nitrogen is satisfied by this MgCl group. Then this gives here magnesium complex, that is CH3C and this CH3 attached to this carbon atom and NMgCl. This is known as magnesium complex, that is intermediate product, and this magnesium complex on acid hydrolysis. Here this magnesium complex on acid hydrolysis means here 2 molecules of water added to this complex to give here acetone. 2 molecules of water means twice of H2O. Twice of H2O means 4 hydrogen atoms and 2 oxygen atoms. Out of 4 hydrogen atoms, 3 hydrogen atoms are attached to this nitrogen atom to give NH3. 1 oxygen atom is attached to this carbon atom to give CH3, then COCH3, that is acetone, and remaining 1 oxygen and 1 hydrogen gives hydroxyl group, and this hydroxyl group is attached to this magnesium, that is Mg, then the Cl and OH, MgClOH. Means this gives, that is propanone, or this is also known as acetone. Here ethane nitrile reacts with Grignard's reagent like methyl magnesium chloride in presence of dry ether. Then this gives magnesium complex, and this magnesium complex on acid hydrolysis, then this gives propanone, or this is also known as acetone. Then let's see another example. Here benzonitrile. Formula of a benzonitrile is C6H5 single bond C triple bond N. This is a benzonitrile. This benzonitrile when reacts with phenyl magnesium bromide in presence of dry ether. Then this gives magnesium complex. Here in this reaction, here C6H5C double bond N. Then the valency of carbon is satisfied by this C6H5 group, means C6H5 is attached to this carbon atom. Then the valency of carbon is completed. And then valency of nitrogen is satisfied by this magnesium and bromine, means MgBr. Then product is C6H5 single bond C. Then this C6H5 attached to this carbon atom and double bond N MgBr. This is known as magnesium complex. Then this magnesium complex on acid hydrolysis, means this reaction takes place in presence of acid and 2 molecules of water added to this complex. Then this gives C6H5CO C6H5. Here 2 molecules of water means total 4 hydrogen atoms and 2 oxygen atoms are added to this complex. Here out of 4 hydrogen atoms, 3 hydrogen atoms are attached to this nitrogen atom to give here NH3. Then remaining 1 hydrogen atom and 1 oxygen atom to give a hydroxyl group, and this hydroxyl group is attached to this magnesium, that is MgBr and OH. And 1 oxygen atom is attached to this carbon atom to give here C6H5, then C double bond O and C6H5. And this is known as benzophenone. This is also known as, this is a phenyl group, also this is a phenyl group. 2 phenyl groups are attached to this ketonic group. Therefore, name of this formula is diphenyl ketone, or this is also known as benzophenone. Then see next preparation method from aromatic hydrocarbon. In this aromatic hydrocarbon, here preparation of aromatic aldehyde from hydrocarbon. Here first reaction is from Itard reaction. In this Itard reaction, when methyl group in methyl benzene or methyl benzene is also known as methyl arene, is oxidized by using oxidizing agent chromyl chloride. Formula of a chromyl chloride is CrO2Cl2. Remember this formula, that is chromyl chloride CrO2Cl2 in presence of carbon disulfide, that is CS2, as a solvent to form chromium complex, and which on acid hydrolysis then this gives benzaldehyde. Now let's see example. Here toluene formula is CH3. CH3 group is attached to this benzene ring. Then name of this formula is toluene, or this is also known as methyl benzene. This methyl benzene is oxidized by using oxidizing agent, that is a chromyl chloride CrO2Cl2, 2 times CrO2Cl2 in presence of carbon disulfide, that is CS2. Then this gives chromium complex. In this reaction, here this CH and this CH bond breaks, and this OCR 2 times, OCR 2 times attached to this carbon atom, and this oxygen and this hydrogen gives OH, and this Cl2, this is the Cl2. Then this oxygen and this hydrogen gives OH, and this Cl2, means OCrOHCl2, and OCrOHCl2 is attached to this carbon atom to give a chromium complex. Then this chromium complex on acid hydrolysis, means this chromium complex reacts with water in presence of a H+, means acid. Then this gives benzaldehyde. Here this is the benzene ring, then CH and water मधला oxygen attach होईल या ठिकाणी, then this gives CHO, that is benzaldehyde. And here remaining 2 hydrogen atoms in water मधले जे 2 hydrogen atom असतील ते 2 hydrogen atom, and this 2 hydrogen atom gives twice H2 as a byproduct, and also CrO2, this CrO2Cl2 that is oxidizing agent again formed. This is a byproduct, that is twice of CrO to Cl2 and twice of H2 is formed, and we get here benzaldehyde. This is first reaction, that is from Itard reaction, and here this gives aromatic aldehyde. This is known as aromatic aldehyde, that is benzaldehyde. Then see second reaction. In this second reaction, by oxidation of methylarine using CrO3. In this reaction, here methylbenzene react with acetic anhydride in presence of oxidizing agent CrO3. Then it adds 2 nascent oxygen for oxidation of this compound. This reaction takes place at about 273 to 278 Kelvin temperature to give benzaldehyde and acetic acid. This is a formula of toluene. That is, methyl group is attached to the benzene ring, then that formula is known as a toluene, or this is also known as methylbenzene. This methylbenzene reacts with acetic anhydride, that is CH3CO, CH3COO. This is the formula of acetic anhydride. In presence of oxidizing agent, that is CrO3, then it adds 2 oxygen, nascent oxygen for the oxidation. Oxidation means addition of oxygen. This reaction takes place at about 273 Kelvin temperature to 278 Kelvin temperature. In this reaction, here this oxygen atom is attached to this carbon atom, then valency of carbon is satisfied by this oxygen atom to give here benzaldehyde, that is C6H5CH, and this oxygen gives C6H5CHO, means benzaldehyde. Then this CH3COOH means CH3COOH and CH3CO, and this oxygen means CH3COOH, that is twice of CH3COOH, that is acetic acid is formed, means here benzaldehyde and acetic acid is formed. Here toluene, fen reacts with, that is methylbenzene reacts with acetic anhydride in presence of CrO3, then it adds 2 nascent oxygen for the oxidation of this compound, and this reaction takes place at about 273 to 278 Kelvin temperature, then this gives benzaldehyde. Then C reaction, that is by side chain chlorination of toluene. In this case, here toluene on chlorination in presence of ultraviolet light, then this gives benzyl chloride. Here chlorination means hydrogen is replaced by chlorine, then this is known as chlorination, and this chlorination to give benzyl chloride. Here in this reaction, this is a methylbenzene, or this is also known as a toluene. Here CH and this CH bond breaks, and these 2 chlorine atoms are attached to this carbon atom, means C, this Cl, and this C and this Cl, means Cl is attached to this carbon atom. Then this gives here C6H5CH, Cl and Cl, and this is known as benzyl chloride. Then this benzyl chloride on acid hydrolysis in presence of, here temperature is at about 373 Kelvin temperature, then this gives benzaldehyde. Here this oxygen atom is bonded to this carbon atom to give here C6H5CH, and this O means CHO group, that is a benzaldehyde, and these 2 hydrogen atoms and 2 chlorine atoms to give twice HCl, means in this side chain chlorination, here hydrogen atom of this toluene is replaced by chlorine, therefore this is known as chlorination, and this toluene on chlorination in presence of ultraviolet light to give benzyl chloride, and this benzyl chloride on acid hydrolysis at about 373 Kelvin temperature, then this gives benzaldehyde. Then see next reaction, that is Gattermann-Koch formylation reaction means Gattermann-Koch formylation of arene. Here in this reaction, when benzene is treated with carbon monoxide and HCl in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 under pressure, then this gives benzaldehyde. Now let's see example. In this case, this is a benzene. Here hydrogen atom of the benzene ring is replaced by formyl group or aldehyde group. Therefore, the name formylation. And this Gattermann-Koch, this is the scientist name. And therefore, this reaction is known as Gattermann-Koch formylation of arene. Here, this benzene is treated with carbon monoxide and HCl in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 under pressure. Then, this hydrogen atom is replaced by CHO group, means formyl group, or this is aldehyde group. This CHO group is aldehyde group or formyl group, and this gives here C6H5CHO, means benzaldehyde. And this hydrogen atom and this Cl gives HCl. And therefore here formyl group is attached to the benzene ring or aldehyde group is attached to this benzene ring. Therefore this reaction is known as formylation of arene. Means benzene when treated with carbon monoxide and HCl in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 under pressure, then this gives benzaldehyde. In this way, in today's lecture, we have completed some preparation methods of aldehyde and ketone. The next preparation method we will see in next lecture. Thank you.